back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because today's recipe has been so long overdue. I have so many cookie videos on my channel, but this time and finally we are going to be making vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. If you're new to my channel, just a quick introduction. Hi and welcome. My name's Nicole and I'm just a gal that loves food. I love baking, I love cooking, and I love sharing my recipes with you guys. I post weekly on YouTube, typically every Saturday, so if you love food or you love watching recipe videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. These cookies are so soft and so chewy, and even if you're not vegan, I highly recommend trying this out if you love a good oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. Alright guys, I'm so excited to get started with this recipe, but before we get started, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more recipe videos from me, subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Alright friends, we are starting off with our dry ingredients today. So we are going to combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and follow that with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then we are going to mix all the ingredients together until they're thoroughly combined. Once that's all mixed, we are done with our dry ingredients, so you can go ahead and set that over to the side. And now we work on our wet ingredients. So in a separate bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of softened vegan butter. Then we are going to add half a cup of white granulated sugar, followed by 1 cup of brown sugar, and make sure that it's 1 cup packed into your measuring cup. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk of your choice. In this video, I'm using oat milk. And lastly, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, using your hand mixer on low speed, I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together. Make sure to continue mixing until all the sugar has dissolved, and once you're done, the mixture should be really light brown in color and it should be really fluffy and soft. Okay, and now it's time to combine our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. In this step, I'm just using my spatula to slowly fold the mixtures together, but if you want to use your hand mixer at this point, you can do so as well. Just make sure to keep your hand mixer on low speed so you don't end up over mixing the cookie dough. Once your cookie dough starts to form, make sure to mix in all the flour on the sides and bottom of the bowl as well, so you should be left with a slightly softer cookie dough. So to that, we're going to add in 2 cups of rolled oats and slowly fold that into the dough as well. Once the oats are mixed in, it is mix-in time. So in today's video, I'm just adding 1.5 cups of vegan chocolate chips. Then we are going to slowly fold the chips into our cookie dough batter as well. If you love oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, I have no doubts that you are gonna love this cookie as well. When I ate these cookies, they don't taste vegan, if you know what I mean. They were still so soft and so chewy, and they had a slight taste of cinnamon, which was really nice. And now it is time to start rolling out our cookie dough balls. So in this step, I'm just using my medium ice cream scoop, and I'm just gonna scoop the cookie dough balls out directly so it looks like that, and place them on my plate, and just repeat this process for all of the cookie dough. As you can see, this recipe makes quite a few cookies, and if you're rolling them the same size as me, this recipe will give you about 19 chocolate chip cookies. And now we are going to set these cookies to chill in the fridge while we preheat our oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Once the cookies have chilled, it's time to prep our baking tray with some parchment paper, and I'm going to place 6 cookies on my tray, and I'm going to bake 6 cookies at a time. Out of the oven, cool your cookies for 10 minutes and enjoy! If you guys don't believe me that these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are super chewy, just wait a couple more seconds to watch the cookie break. So melty and so chewy and so gooey inside. I needed to do another cookie break just to show you guys again. So if you are vegan or eat plant-based, or you just like vegan desserts, definitely try out this recipe because these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are so gooey and so chewy, and they have the perfect hint of cinnamon at the end, which is amazing. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. That is how you make delicious vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. If you end up recreating this recipe, make sure to tag me on my Instagram at @NicoleCharmaine or on my TikTok at Nicole.Charmaine. I love seeing your recreations and sharing them on my page. Before I let you go, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hi guys! Hi friends!